Hey, beautiful, come in, grab your glass, and get cozy. We need to talk about why you keep making yourself smaller just to fit into somebody else's tiny little comfort zone. You ever notice how we women can fold ourselves up tighter than an economy airline seat just to keep the peace? Baby, no, you're not meant to be carry-on luggage in somebody's life. You are the main event, the front row seat. First, you keep thinking that if you shrink your dreams, your voice, your needs, they'll finally see your worth and choose you. Girl, please. That's like dimming the lights at a Beyoncé concert thinking people will clap louder. No, they came for the full show. They came for all of you. Second, you start putting everyone else's comfort before your own. You tiptoe around like you're on a reality show elimination round, afraid they're gonna vote you off the island if you speak up. But Queen, the crown was made for you. You don't need to beg for a seat at a table you built. I remember a time when I stayed quiet just to keep a man around, acting like I didn't care if he didn't text back for days. Meanwhile, I was refreshing that phone like I was checking if my Amazon package moved an inch. And guess what? I lost myself trying to keep someone who didn't even know what to do with all this magic. You deserve to be loved exactly as you are. Loud laugh, big dreams, sensitive heart, and all. If someone needs you to shrink so they feel bigger, that's a them problem, not a you problem. Stop editing yourself like a bad first draft. You're already a whole bestseller, Queen. And I know it's scary. We think if we take up space, they'll leave. But guess what? If they leave when you show up fully, they were never yours to begin with. Let them go. You're not a clearance rack item, honey. You're that exclusive drop people line up for overnight. You're a whole vibe, a walking highlight reel. You light up every room you enter, and nobody can do it like you. Can't nobody replace that energy. So promise me right now, no more shrinking, no more small talk when you want deep conversation, no more I'm fine when your soul is on fire. You are here to be big, bold, and unstoppable. Drop a comment and tell me, what part of you have you been hiding to make others comfortable? Let's call it out together. If you don't agree with me, say it, sis. I want to hear it. And listen, if this lit you up, tap like and subscribe. There's so much more magic waiting for you.